All right, a very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the opening bell. This is Ashley Reeve here, guys. It's so good to be with you here. 11th of November, 2025, and it is an absolute pleasure, yeah? So this morning, guys, let's get started here. Before we move, remember that we are discussing vital information with you. It's opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way, yeah? Jules, I see you there this morning. Aaron, a very good morning to you, yeah? All right, everybody. Let's get started with this morning's opening bell. All right, first things first. Let's check out and see what's happening with regards to, some gold. We have the oil price. We have silver. Silver rallied. And we want to try and see what's happening, okay, with the fundamentals as well. So let's kick it off. Silver rallies up, guys, just over 5% today. It is at a 3-week high. You can see we just under that 51, dollars per ounce. Reason for that is traders expect that Federal Reserve to cut those interest rates very soon. U.S. data also shows job losses and weaker consumer confidence. And the context is really that a small rate cut of 25 basis points or 0.25%. That's 0.25% is likely, but some Fed members suggest a bigger one, 0.5%, 50. All right, and this cut could come, and so the potential then end of the U.S. government shutdown may reduce that safe haven demand slightly. But we're seeing the rally here, and we have noted this on a daily frame. You can currently see price is very, very bullish at this point, and yesterday we had a very strong close there. And we're looking for some more upside. I initially thought there that we were going to push down on the lower time frames, but we actually pushed up further. But what seems to be happening now is that what I predicted yesterday in terms of movement could still be very well the case here today. So I'll be watching this on a 4-hour time frame. I had to get out of that specific trade, obviously, because we want to try and mitigate risk as much as possible. So I had to get out of that trade there. Took a bit of one on the chin, but that's okay. Yeah, we live and we learn. According to plan, we are still bullish here, absolutely. But it looks like we could be coming down here first. All right, so we'll be tracking on a 4-hour time frame and looking for some entries here. Ash will be looking at the 15-minute time frame. Absolutely, I'll be looking at that. So you can see where my initial movement was. My initial sell was here. That's where my initial sell was. It just wasn't strong enough. The sellers just was not. It actually stopped right there. What I should have waited for, I should have waited for price just to come back down a little bit further and perhaps give me some more momentum to the downside. See, this candle still closed at that specific support. So you see, the great thing about the TD Academy is that we go back and we review and we look at what the challenge could have been. Now, if you look at it from this case, look at price now. All right, so look at price coming down now. And if we break beneath this area over here, that short becomes the reality for Ash here. All right, so I'll be tracking this. You can see on the hour, that was not a very strong close there. All right, so I'll be watching the hour now. If silver can break below this 50.382, Ash will be looking for some shorts here for dollar strength. Now, remember, the dollar is flat at this moment in time. If you go to the DXY, guys, what's going to be important, looking at the Dixie, you can trade it on the MT4, all right? The dollar is somewhat strengthening at this point in time. It is. It's at 99.53 right now. And it looks like we are on the way for a much stronger dollar here today. So it's steady. Looks like the U.S. government shut down at least the what do you call it? I beg your pardon. The funding bill that was discussed over the week in the meeting there to hold out until January next year. Seeing there's some movement. All right. So it is still tentative, and so we are seeing that there's a bit of sentiment coming through here now. So we're gonna wait for price to really just show off here and come down. And then the same with gold, guys. We can see the same thing is happening here from a daily structure. This is bullish, absolutely, but that's the the overall movement. But the dominant movement here is that price might just come down here as well for that correction. So I'm gonna have to wait and see how this one pans out. I'll be looking for a 15-minute entry there, but waiting for a 1 hour close. All right, and that's just some nuggets there, guys. A 15-minute structure, but a 1 hour close. And we'll be looking for that in a 4 hour, well, at least looking at it from a 4 hour perspective. So get into the TD Academy classes, guys, because that's where we discuss these things. Yeah, I'm seeing Barticle is on there as well. I hope I got your name correct. I'll just say Anderson if I don't have it, so forgive me. Tabatso's on. I see King is there. Top of the morning, my brother. Very, very good to see you guys here. Yeah, guys, we have a trading room this afternoon at 2 o'clock, so join Ash in there. We're gonna have a ball of a time. Yeah, USD/JPY. We're also looking at the sucker here, guys. This one from yesterday, I saw the bulls dominating here. Wasn't 100% on the way it would go yet because of that resistance that's panning out. But I'm waiting for a 4 hour close above that resistance. If I can get that, Ash is going in for a buy here with USD/JPY. Right now, there seems to be a bit of a resistance still panning out. But whether you use some of the oscillators, use the stochastic, you can use the relative vigor index, you can use the MACD. Ash has the proclivity now and then to use the RSI, which is a fantastic indicator from a custom perspective, or standard perspective rather, in the MT5. And so we're seeing that the RSI is showing us that, you know, there has been and is exhaustion in the USD/JPY. Now, just some fundamentals on the yen, guys. It has been weakening. It's near 9-month low. Investors have shifted away from the safe havens. Yen is one of them. So if it's at a low, we might get a correction today. So look at the Japanese index. You can see that as well. The JPY index, it's a currency index. You can go and find it. Guys, also don't forget we have with TDME here, the other division of TD Markets. We have FX, we have crypto. And we are obviously offering our derivatives there as well. You should get on there. I'll be chatting about that in our trading room this afternoon. Fully fledged, functional, regulated trading platform for cryptocurrencies. It's phenomenal. I'm going to be looking at that platform this afternoon as well for you guys so you can see it. You're going to enter with really, really small margins, with the ability to trade various and multiple cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so you really gonna love that one. So I'll be dealing with that at 2 o'clock. We'll be looking at that program, and obviously we are using TradingView for that. We've plugged into TradingView for some of the guys that are into TradingView. Remember, we were running MT4, MT5 and TradingView at TD Markets, and we are absolutely overjoyed with that. We're delighted to be offering all our clients so much. And then, guys, also check out. But just to conclude on the USD/JPY, I beg your pardon for looping and jumping there, but I'm just waiting for that 4 hour close. Once I can get that, Ash is going in. But if that yen does strengthen a little bit here this morning, which, I'm actually leaning towards here because we've already, touched and, reacted and rejected that area. So I'm expecting, price to push down a little bit here. We're going to have to wait and see, though. Let's see how it develops. But, I am looking for the buys. That's the overall direction that Ash is looking for. I'm looking for the buys up until this area over there. And then obviously feast your eyes on, some of the Hang Seng movement here as well. Waiting for a beautiful 4 hour close here. If I can get that, I'm going in for my buy here with the Hang Seng. Also the GBP yen. I've not gotten my 4 hour close. Look at that correction there. So this is giving me, from a correlating angle, we're seeing that the yen pairs seem to be strengthening a little bit. Look at the GBP yen. Look at the AUD/JPY or AUD yen. So that USD/JPY could be coming down. Okay. But let's look at it at 2 o'clock, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys there. Make sure that you get there. Get there at 2 o'clock. All right. Remember, in as much as people want recording and so forth, that's a live trading room. So whatever information, whatever trades Ash catches there, it's for that moment and that moment alone. All right. But what a pleasure, such a blessing and a privilege to be with all of you guys. As always, please have a fantastic morning. Check out the dollar this morning here, guys. And don't forget the stock markets. Yeah, the Nikkei is also pushing up pretty nicely. The Australian Index as well, the ASX, we have it at TD, also pushing up by 0.2%. It is supported by a lot of strong consumer sentiment and rising resources from a company perspective. All of those are pushing that ASX up. All right, we'll check out the US 30 later. We'll check out the NASDAQ. We're going to see how that one pushes, but I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock. Have a fantastic morning. Join us in the classes at 10 a.m. If you have not gotten in with the TD Academy, you should be in with us. Visit www.tdmarkets.com. Email us at care@tdmarkets as well. Additionally, we have now slotted in 2 crypto classes. We'll be kicking that off very, very soon, 11:30. And at 1 o'clock, we'll be sending through those details as well. We'll all be doing this through Zoom. And then Fridays, we have our crypto decrypted trading rooms for crypto specifically. So we're looking forward to that. Join us this Friday. We'll be having our crypto decrypted. That is at 2 o'clock. All right, looking forward to it. Guys, see you later. 2 o'clock. Ashley Reeve, and I'm signing out. Ciao, ciao.